Hello friends, let's guess the animals. Cat, dog, horse, cow. Chicken, sheep, duck, pig. Fish, dolphin, shark, octopus, penguin, jellyfish, butterfly, bird, eagle, owl, alpaca, deer, monkey, buffalo, lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, hippo, fox, bear, koala, cheetah, polar bear, panda, snake, springbok, yak, turtle, lizard, hamster, wolf, whale, gorilla, zebra, ladybug. Well done, friends! You know so many animals. Please subscribe for more videos.